According to AIMS Delhi, biomedical waste means any waste which is generated during the diagnosis, treatment, or immunization of human beings or animals or research activities pertaining thereto, or in the production or testing of biological or in health camps. The World Health Organization (WHO) defines biomedical waste as waste generated by healthcare activities ranging from used needles and syringes to sold dressing, body parts, diagnostic samples, blood, chemicals, pharmaceuticals, medical devices, and radioactive materials. This article shares insight on biomedical waste management in India. Biomedical waste. Biomedical waste is biologically and chemically hazardous waste containing biological and microbiological contaminants. Poor management of biomedical waste exposes healthcare workers, waste handlers, and the community to infection, toxic effects, and injuries, and risk that pollute the environment. Biomedical waste management in India. India's expanding healthcare system generates a large quantity of biomedical waste every day from hospitals, clinics, laboratories, vaccination camps, and home healthcare service. As of 2020, India generated approximately 774 tons of biomedical waste per day. Biomedical waste management in India is regulated primarily under the Biomedical Waste Management Rules 2016, notified under the Environment Protection Act 1986, replacing the earlier 1998 rules. Biomedical Waste Management Rules 2016. Biomedical Waste Management Rules 2016 are the primary rules to deal with biomedical waste in India. These rules apply to everyone who generates, collects, receives, stores, transports, treats, disposes, or handles biomedical waste in any form. This includes hospitals, nursing homes, clinics, dispensaries, veterinary institutions, animal houses, pathological laboratories, and blood banks. The 2016 rules moved away from simple disposal toward a more rigorous monitoring system, emphasizing the polluter pays principle. Salient features of Biomedical Waste Management Rule 2016 are as follows. Expanded scope. The scope of the rules has been expanded to include vaccination camps, blood donation camps, surgical camps, or any other healthcare activity. Simplified categorization. To make segregation easier for healthcare workers, the waste categories are reduced from 10 to 4 color-coded categories: yellow for infectious waste, anatomical waste, soiled waste, and chemical waste; red for contaminated waste recyclable like tubing, bottles, and syringes; white for waste sharps, needles, scalpels; blue for glassware and metallic body implants. Pre-treatment of waste. Laboratory waste, microbiological waste, and blood banks must be pre-treated through disinfection or sterilization on-site as per WHO or NACO guidelines before being sent for final disposal. Phasing out chlorinated plastics. To prevent the release of toxic dioxins and furans during incineration, the rules mandate the phase out of chlorinated plastic bags, gloves, and blood bags. Barcoding and GPS. Establish a barcode system for bags or containers containing biomedical waste for disposal. Strict emission norms. The rules tighten the standard for incinerations, reducing the permissible limit for particulate matter and increasing the residence time in the secondary chamber to ensure complete combustion. Occupational safety. Healthcare facilities must provide regular training and immunize all health workers, especially against hepatitis B and tetanus, who handle biomedical waste. Operator responsibility. Common biomedical waste treatment facility operators are now more accountable for the timely collection of waste from even small clinics. Biomedical Waste Rule 2016 does not apply to the following types of wastage as they are covered under different acts enumerated below: radioactive wastage, municipal solid wastage, hazardous chemicals, lead acid batteries, hazardous wastage, e-waste, hazardous microorganisms, genetically engineered microorganisms, and cells. Challenges in biomedical waste management in India. Despite a robust legal framework, biomedical waste management in India faces several challenges. Improper segregation at source, especially in small clinics and rural health centers; limited coverage and capacity of common biomedical waste treatment facilities; lead to unsafe disposal in remote areas, inadequate training and awareness among healthcare workers and waste handlers increases occupational risk, weak monitoring, poor data reporting, and non compliance by private healthcare facilities. The surge in waste during health emergency like COVID-19 has also exposed infrastructure and logistical gaps. Way forward ensure strict segregation of source through regular audits and penalties, expand CBWTF coverage in rural and underserved areas, strengthen training, safety gear, and immunization of healthcare workers, use digital tools like barcoding, GPS tracking, and real time reporting, integrate BMW management into health emergency and disaster planning.